Close my eyes and I can see a world awaiting up for me that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where's no one been before, but it feels like home. They can say, oh, sounds crazy. They can say, I lost my mind. I don't care, so they call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. But every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Gabriela, nakakambal. Ha? I love ML. Welcome to Mobile Legends.